Till now, we have seen quantity contract, value contract general. General means it is for all materials, value contract material specific. So if you are directly watching this one, try to follow the detailed previous sessions about quantity contract and value contract. Okay. So let's try to break it down what exactly it is. Okay. So this is WK. So for this, so probably I can, okay, I can able to copy the similar thing for explanation here. Just try to increase the font. Okay. So document type is WK2 and previously it is value, but against value, whatever the material you can able to take it, but not like this. Here, if you take WK2 as a document type, okay, this is a WKC. I'll show you. Okay. So on a certain specific material only you can able to do it. I'll just show you this how exactly it works. Okay. You don't have direct billing, direct delivery, no schedule lines like other contract only. Value with what are the material you're targeting? That's the question actually. Previously in general means it will allow for all your materials. Okay. Let's try to check this one quickly. I'll try to explain you WK1. Below that, see, this is material relevant. Okay. The only difference here, it is material independent. Whatever the material you want, you can able to take it once the contract is done for company material. Okay. So the document category is same. G, here also G, and you will have document pricing procedure also same, and sequencing group, again, it is no shipping data, no billing data, and you have a contract data. That is different story. So let's go for item category. So previously that is WKN, this is WKC you are using. Okay. So probably if you want, you can able to use your own document types here also. So if you go to WK2, okay, let me try to copy WK2 as GWK2. Okay. So let's say enter and let's try to save this. And go, if you want to, you can able to define your own item category also. Okay. So as I said that, 1 second, Vivo V7 item category is WKC. Okay. So let's copy this GWKC, either configurable or any specific material with contract. Here also E will be there and you have additionally billing relevance I. This is if you have a billing plan, we are not going to check the billing plan against billing plan. Here you need not maintain any dummy material. Why? Because previously we are maintaining at least one material should be required to contract value against quantity. That's why we are creating in WK1. Okay. Here WK2 you don't require to maintain dummy material and you can able to take the material, how many materials you want it, actual materials. Okay. This is again, as I said that previous session, if you want warning message, target value exceeded or else error message. So let's keep it B as of now, press enter. So let's copy so that background settings will be copied. This is the only difference. So let's say enter. Now go to Vivo V4 GWK2. Okay. GWKC. Whatever we copied, I'm just trying to replace it. That's it. Okay. Let's try to create a contract. Same story, VA41, the transaction code. Oh, not K2. This is GW, not K1, K2 actually. Material specific. Okay. The contract, material specific. So you can able to take the dates from here to here. You can able to copy. So these are coming because of your contract rules. Okay, I'll show you from where exactly it is coming. So now you can able to take the material with quantity. For example, I'm just taking the same material thrice. If you want, you can able to take. This is 10,000 and this is 5,000 and this is written 10,000. If I press enter, okay, see what it is saying. Just okay. Let's make this one. Hmm. Okay, I can able to pick the dates here. 30, 31. If you want, you can able to pick the different dates also within the contract. Depends on the material. Okay, maybe I can able to take like this. Okay, for a different. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, if I go and press edit, actually these values supposed to whatever the total target value that's supposed to be copied to net value. Okay, so let's create this contract. It ends with 38. I'll show you the difference actually while creating the sales order. So create reference contract material specific, right? So 38, I'm just taking. So if I go for item selection, okay, so I can able to go with this. Suppose if I try to enter material, it will not allow you. That's the difference. Okay. Previously, if it is general, it is allowing to enter material, whatever the material you wanted. This is since material specific, it will not allow you to do so. Okay. So I press it twice. That's why it is giving. Now the quantity, whatever you want target, that you can able to pick here. Suppose if I have taken these three, so I can make a selection here. So let's copy. If I don't want it for a difference, I just wanted to copy these two. I can copy these two only for my sales order. Okay. So anyhow, let's see this as for one. Uh, let's save this. This is the net value. It is got created. Oh, difference. It is exceeded. That's why it is not allowing. Okay. So let me take one and this is two and this is again two. Let's try to save this one now. So it is got created. Let's go to VA 42. So the values released is this much. Out of 10,000, this much value. 5,000, this much value. Let's try to create one more. VA01. Oh, sorry. I need to take a reference, right? So go to the contract and switch 38. So let's go for copy directly. So it will be copied. I'm just taking 3, 3, 3. Okay, let's try to save. So value exceeded. Difference is this one. Okay, somewhere you try to adjust this one, 2, and this I can make it 2. So, and I would like to show you this one also. This is header, and Item level, you have to see the item category what we have created. This is TAM. Okay, all good. This is condition value, similar story. Let's try to save it. Still difference is there. Item 20, it is got exceeded. Okay, so let's try to save. What is saying? Item 20, the value exceeded. Let's try to reduce. How much? Let's save again. It is again exceeded. Again decrease. You cannot able to save it. Previously, if it is A in item category, it is allowing to save. Okay. So still it is there. That means it is got consumed. Let's try to delete it. This line item itself. You cannot able to go ahead with this. Let's try to save now. Okay. So let's try to do the delivery. Otherwise, you will get some doubts whether we can able to do it or not. From here, same story. I'll pick the quantity tool. Okay. PCI. Let's go to VA 43 or 42. Let's go to the document flow. So this is material specific. You cannot able to take any additional material. That's what I'm going to say. Previous one, it is open. Okay. So let's go inside and you can able to check. Out of 5,000, this value referenced, even single quantity, it is increasing more. That's why it is not allowing. Okay. These two, still you can able to play with the system. Okay. So let's click here, double click. So the GWKC, it is got copied and this is content. So now you understood, right? What is the basic difference between both? Previously, you have seen WK1, item category is WKM. Okay. So if you would like to compare here, GWK1, okay, WKN. What is the difference between these two? You will have a dummy material. Okay, you can take any material you want it. Sorry, not here. Okay, one. Let me put it standard. Dummy material. How many materials you want? You can here only take whatever the materials you entered at the time of creating contract. Again, is the value. That's it. Okay, this is all about your value contract and general contract. And when it comes to quantity contract also, so you cannot able to enter the what I would say, for example, if you go for sales order, create with reference, go to the contract, you take this one, uh, item selection, okay, uh, enter material. So this is value exceeded. Okay, anyhow, okay, 43, let me go for 35, what exactly it is. The value contract only. Let me go for 34. This is also value contract only. Let me go for 33. Oh God, how many I created? Let me remove this. Okay. I'm just searching my quantity contract anyhow. Let's go for a new one. ZQC I have created. ZCQ. So here comes, just wanted to show some difference. Under quantity, this is ends with 20, right? Copy. Let me try to create a sales order. This I have already shown you. You can able to watch previous session. Let me copy. If I go for item selection, okay, this is the material only, right? You don't have an option to select any other material. That's the scenario. Okay. If I go for item selection in value contract, item selection for different materials it is allowing. That switch itself, it will not be available. That is the main difference. Okay. So that means whatever the contract you are taking for quantity contract is fixed, but whereas value contract in general, you can able to allow any material. Value contract for material specific value against the materials what you take is only allowed. Certain times they might ask entry question about this one. Thanks so much. This is all about contracts. Let's catch up in next session. Have a great day.